Want some peach? Right.
I need to find a cat. Move, Justin. All
right, guys, watch out.
Whoa! Whoa!
It's raining ice. It smells really good too. don't throw it all away, Richard. Just let's.
Look at the trees.
Save some for this one.
Y'all froze the ground.
Just use what's in the bottle.
I was gonna pour it in here so the
Ew.
Ew, that's gross.
That's disgusting.
I hope
It
that
looks
don't
like
blow
shit.
up on me.
No, there's none in there.
Ah, look at the bottom.
Oh. Does it smell good though? Smell it. That sucks. That really sucks.
It smells like peach.
I farted again.
Dude,
You missed this night.
I already had peach flavored lemon.